Good morning everyone. We are going to discuss the France policing system and we will start to the brief history. There are two main national police forces. First, the Police Nationale, which is civilian police force, and the Gendarmerie Nationale, which is military police force. The Police Nationale was originated in 1812 by Eugene Francois Vidal as the Soriete, which is under the Ministry of the Interior, where it focuses in urban areas and large cities. In 1966, it was renamed to Police Nationale, operates under the General Directorate of Police, except to the Paris Police Prefecture that is directly controlled by the Ministry of the Interior, assisted by the DPSP, or the Direction de la Prevention, de la Security et de la Protection. Their main tasks include public order, crime prevention, and urban law enforcement. As of now, they have approximately 149,000 officers. In October 2024, Louis Luger was appointed as the new Director General of the Police Nationale, Prefect of Isere, and former Head of Human Resources with the police. Next is the Gendarmerie Nationale, traces its origins back to 1306 when it was founded by King Philippe le Bel as the Maréchaussée. It operates under both the Ministry of Defense and the Ministry of the Interior. It was reorganized by King Louis XIV between 1697 and 1699. In 1791, during the French Revolution, it was renamed the Gendarmerie Nationale. It is a branch of the French Armed Forces placed under the jurisdiction of the Ministry of the Interior, with additional duties from the Ministry of Armed Forces. This force is responsible for rural areas, small towns, and military sites. Its main duties include counter-terrorism and anti-narcotics operations, riot control and road safety, airport and port security, disaster response and victim rescue, and the protection of sensitive infrastructure such as nuclear plants and military bases. Currently, the Gendarmerie Nationale has around 102,000 personnel. General Hubert Bonilla was appointed as the Director General for the Gendarmerie Nationale in October 2024. Former head of the GIGN and current commander of the Brittany region. Apart from these two, there are other agencies like Companies Republicanis, the Security Republican Security Companies, or the CRS. This force, a branch of the French Armed Forces, is primarily used for crowd control, riot control, and maintaining order, especially in urban areas. It also assists other branches of the Police Nationale when needed. Second is the Direction Generale des Douanes et Droits Indirects, Directorate General of Customs and Indirect Taxes, also known as the Douane. This civilian customs service is responsible for collecting taxes, enforcing trade regulations, and combating smugglers. Third is the General Directorate for Internal Security, Direction Generale de la Sécurité Intérieure. Formed in 2008, the DGSI, initially known as the DCRI, Central Directorate of Internal Intelligence, combines two former services of the National Police HQ. Its responsibilities include intelligence gathering, counter-espionage, counter-terrorism, and economic security. This is the two agency under the DGSI, Central Directorate for General Intelligence. This agency was responsible for intelligence, data gathering, classification, and analysis. The second one is the Directorate for Surveillance of the Territory, or the DST. This plainclothes operational service focuses on counter-espionage, counter-terrorism, and economic security. The French municipalities may also have local police called the Police Municipal, also known as Police Municipales. and rural guards, also known as Garde Champetres, with restricted powers. They can only enforce the municipal bylaws. In local level, the municipal policemen are agent the police judiciary adjoint. There are also local police in the rural zones. As for the rural policemen, the police rural as such does not exist. Note the heterogeneity of local police both in means and in equipment. The municipal police municipales are the local police of towns and cities in France, dating back to the Middle Ages. The municipal police officers are under the direct authority of the mayor. They may be armed at the request of the mayor and with approval of the prefect, but it is not always the case. Their main tasks are the maintenance of safety in town, the fight against environment degradation and road traffic offenses, and the reinforcement of the national police and gendarmerie forces when it is needed. There are roughly 24,000 municipal police officers in 4,555 countries. The rural guards, Gardes Champetres, are the equivalent of municipal police officers but for smaller towns and villages. They are under the direct authority of the mayor. Like municipal police officers, they may be armed at the request of the mayor and with the approval of the prefect. Though it is not always the case, they have the same task as their urban counterparts. Today, there are roughly 1,000 rural guards in France, the public roads surveillance officers, agents de surveillance de la voie publique, often called by their acronym ASVP, are responsible for the fight against road traffic offenses, environment degradation, and minor disturbances in towns and cities under the direct authority of the mayor. Now we're going to proceed to organizational structure. French policing is a centralized dual system consisting of the Police Nationale and the Gendarmerie Nationale, with municipal police also playing a role. The Police Nationale, under the Ministry of the Interior, focuses on urban areas, while the Gendarmerie, part of the Ministry of Armed Forces, handles smaller towns, rural areas, and public order duties. Municipal police, appointed by mayors, supplement these forces in their respective localities. The Police Nationale are under the control of the Ministry of the Interior. Its strength is roughly 149,000. The Paris Police Prefecture, directly controlled by the French Minister of the Interior, who are assisted by the Direction de la Prévention, de la Sécurité et de la Protection, or the DPSP, Prevention, Security and Protection Directorate, is composed of agents with municipal police powers titled Inspecteurs de Sécurité, Security Inspectors. This is one of the few exceptions to the General Directorate's exclusive control. The National Gendarmerie is part of the French Armed Forces. It has the primary responsibility for policing smaller towns and rural areas, as well as the armed forces and military installations, airport security, and shipping ports. Being a military force, the Gendarmerie has a highly centralized organization structure. It is under the control of both the Ministry of Defense and the Ministry of the Interior as far as its civil duties are concerned.
This is the mission. According to the Code of Ethics of the National Police and National Gendarmerie, the mission of police and the gendarmerie is to ensure the defense of national institutions and interests, the maintenance of peace and public order, and the protection of people and property. Police National Motto: Pour la patrie et honneur, et le droit, in English, for the fatherland, honor, and law. In Gendarmerie National Motto: Pro Patria Vigilant, or in English, they are watching for their country.
The highest rank of Police Nationale is Director General de la Police Nationale, and the lowest rank is Gardien de la Paix. The highest rank in Gendarmerie Nationale is General d'Armée, and the lowest rank is Gendarme. The highest rank of Police Municipale is Director Principal de Police Municipal, and the lowest rank is Guardian de la Paix, and the highest rank of Police Rural is Garde Champetre Chief Principal, and the lowest rank is Garde Champetre Principal. Now let's proceed to the governance. The central government, especially the Ministry of the Interior, oversees the National Police and the National Gendarmerie, ensuring their coordination and effectiveness. Municipal police force operate under the authority of the mayors of their respective municipalities, working in conjunction with the national forces. France's policing system is a blend of centralized national control with local autonomy and cooperation among different police branches, ensuring a comprehensive approach to law enforcement across the country. The police qualifications and trainings to be reported by Ms. De La Gracia.
So, good morning everyone. Today we're going to discuss the qualification of French policing system. First is the candidate must be French nationality. Second is between 17 and 35 years old. Have a clean criminal record. Candidates must also be at least 5'3", in good health with good eyesight. And last, other requirements include a minimum of the French baccalaureate. Next is the training. Major State College, the France National Police College, or also known ENSP, is a public administrative establishment tasked with further education and research under the authority of the Minister of the Interior. Its main mission is the initial continuous training of chiefs of police, conception and management body, and police officers, commanding body from the National Police. To guide its action, the ENSP is a public body with a governing board, an educational and scientific council. The ENSP provide initial and continuous training of all chief of police and police officers. The National Police, every year, it also trains more than 250 foreign senior police officers. It prepares for the external competitive exam of chief of police and police officer, deserving young people eligible for equal opportunities and integrated preparatory classes. We're going to police agency performance. The Gendarmerie Nationale is one of the oldest law enforcement bodies in France. Originating from the Marechaussee of the Middle Ages, it carries a strong military identity, and its members still see themselves as soldiers of the law. This force is known for its unity and tradition, often referred to as an arm of the military with a strong sense of duty and discipline. In contrast, the Police Nationale is a civilian force that has evolved more recently through various reforms that shape urban policing since the 18th century. According to scholars Jean-Marc Berlerie and René Lévy, France has not had a single unified police system historically, but rather multiple competing forces that were gradually consolidated in 1941 under the Vichy regime. A decree nationalized the bodies. In 1996, the General Directorate of National Police was created, bringing the previously autonomous Paris Prefecture of Police into the national structure. The Police Nationale is charged of urban areas covering only 5% of the territory but serving 50% of the population and handling 70% of reported crime. The Gendarmerie operates in rural and suburban areas covering 95% of the territory, also serving 50% of the population but dealing with only 30% of crime. This division reflects the distinct mission and the identities of both agencies, the Police Nationale focusing on urban law enforcement and criminal investigation, and the Gendarmerie maintaining public order and safety across the vast rural landscape of France. These are the uniform of police officer in France policing system.
And that's the end of our report. Thank you for listening and watching. God bless you all.